You got a good hold over?
Yeah.
Here, Sophie.
Time for a bath. Who's going first?
Hopper with his bag and Captain Crunch. Eating Captain Crunch, can't get the bag off his head. Oh!
Coco. Hey, Mama's turn. Mama's turn. My turn. No. No. No.
Come back outside when the snow comes. Come on, please. It's cold.
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
Go for a walk.
Yeah.
No, that was about 5 minutes. Hey!
He's not doing it. He's gonna get right with it.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God! What is that? Is that really?
And off he goes.
We can go. We can have about tomorrow.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
Choose, Mr. Bond. Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Come on, dude.
Hey, Nikki.
That's not yours. You know that. Stella, it's just a bath. You're fine.
No bite.
sleeping. Don't bother me. I said don't. You're bugging me. You're bugging me.
Bang! Oh no, Haji! What happened, buddy? What?
The hell we gonna do now?
This will get funnier the more you look at it.
No! No! No!
He did it on his own.
So freaking. Excuse me! No! No! Maya! Say hi to you. Maya! Maya! Hi! What? What? What's your deal? Do you want a mousey? No, Mateo, no recio.
Give me the bone. Get that bone. Get that bone.
No, use both hands at the same time like this. And bounce. Yeah. It's okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Send it to Izzy.
Blue. Blue. I can see you. What is in your mouth? Is that a mozzarella stick?
Okay.
What is that?
This thing is gold. My plan.
Can I have it, please?
I loved it.
Hi, Tor. Hi. Come out.
What did you do, Millie? Stop squinting. I can see you. Whisper. Good job, Whisper. Whisper. Good job.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
You guys want to take a picture? Everyone look nice and smile, both of us. We're both smiling. Olivia? Thank you.
Oh, he's gonna rescue her. Good boy, Beans.
Stella. Hey. Stella. Jeez.
What are you doing?
Miren esto. Comida está ahí. Comida.
No lo hagas largo.
Falta comida.
I'm not gonna let go. I'm not gonna let go. No, 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 no. I'm not gonna let go. I'm not gonna let go. I'm not gonna let go. No, 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 no. I'm not gonna let go. Get here, get here, get here. I'm gonna bite you, bite you, bite you. I'm not gonna let go.
Did you get the pizza? Hey, was this you? Was that you? You shook his head yes.
Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
Bang.
Fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I'm still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
Hey, boo. Hey, boo.
I'm a sleeper, I'm a nap star. I'm gonna go to sleep when it gets hard. I'm gonna take a nap when I get tired. I ain't gonna wake up till it...
Are you hungry? Oh. Did you want to rain?
What is this? Why would you do that? This is not okay.
I'm just a big toasty cinnamon bun. I never want to leave this bed.
He's sitting, standing, and laying down all at the same time. It's magical.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Wait. Everybody, calm down.
It's a full-time job, and it's extremely time-consuming, and it's not as easy as it may appear to some people.
What are you doing? I need some cooler pee-pee, a lizard pee on me. Good answer. Next question.
Who did this? Who?
We got a recording?
Mm-hmm.
Zia, was it you? Zia? Did you knock her down?
With the couch. It's gross. People sit there dirty.
Go to jail. I can't go to jail again.
Did you know the General and its companies have provided low-cost auto insurance for 50 years?
What? What?
Come on, Bexley.
Good boy.
Hey! Hey!
Oh my
Mimic, you are not a husky. Get in the house.
Okay. Okay. Can you go? Oh no. Hey, buddy.
Yeah. Добре тобі на ліжку моєму? Добре? Що мовчиш? Кажи. Добре?
My dad.
Even Mufasa came here when he was your age.
You okay? Preston. Oh. Whoa, what was that?
You coming in?
Snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake.
Was it you? Storm, did you knock Pan down? Zia?
Go get it.
Oh, yeah.
机骑士。
Go, baby. Go.
Oh, hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?
Go see Grandma?
Leave it.
Old door to an estate, and I bought it at this estate sale. I love the ironwork, and I felt like this was the perfect space to put it in. You know, you have that Mediterranean look, it's rustic. Please, please, please. But then with all the grays and the whites, I thought...
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Immediately no. Immediately no.
What are you doing? Do.
You want me to show your daddy how you being bad? Stop. Ooh.
That's too loud.
Ma'am. Ma'am, that is not ladylike. Oh.
Toothpick.
All right, show us how you go down the stairs.
We'll go time out. Let's go puppy cage. Let's go puppy cage. Come on, let's go. Let's go puppy cage.
Who did this?
And here is Sully.
So is this you?
Yeah, that was fun pushing that thing over there.
Oh, I bet. I'm sorry.